Dear colleagues, let's talk about mechanized forestry planting and Risutech facilities. And I have to must very rapidly in my presentation because Dan said that I have only 7 minutes and then Dan will remove out of this room. Okay, some motivation first, then our highlights, and then conclusions. That kind of structure of my flash presentation. In Latvia, is it 900 hectares mechanized forestry planting. In Finland, we are statistics comparing to Europe. Congratulations. Yeah, and reason for that, I guess that in Finland is quite high prices of mechanized tree planting by excavators. And Tiina Laine, in her dissertations, she underlined that productivity of mechanized tree planting must be more than 190 seedlings per hour. And in our study, actually, results of that is Antti Sairanen's bachelor work, and Antti investigated using Risutech Asta files. What is the production time on planting site? What is the loading time of each cassette, seedling cassette? What is the planting time of each seedling? And finally, what is the operating hour productivity? Also, Antti clarify what is the effect of soil moisture on time consumption in planting operations. But I will skip that section from my presentation because of lack of time. Okay, our material Asta Risutech Asta GPX files, including position, like Ville mentioned earlier, but it also include time stamp for each seedling. And we used that data. We had a follow-up study, 9 planting sites owned by UPM Kymmene during 2020-2021. Here we have a number of seedlings and area, and here we have our machinery. Hyundai excavator and Risutech PM 160 planting device. And our material mainly mineral soils, site glass, myrtleized stoniness, only little rocks, mainly harvested logging residues, stump not harvested, as you can see, an area, total area, and total planting number of seedlings, and average density of seedlings, our data. And then results production time consumption was on average around 9 hours per hectare. Actually, here more accurate estimation, but like 9 hours. Yes, 3 minutes, fine. I have three main highlights for you then. Okay, then loading time. As you can see, distribution from 5 minutes to more than 16 minutes per cassette, and average around 10 minutes. And then planting time per one seedling. Here we have distribution, and we will skip up very short. I guess that some misfunctionality. Only 1 second. We skipped less than 4 seconds and more than 60 seconds from our data, and average figure was 12-13 seconds. And then operating hour. Here we have average figure and all our sites here. And if we analyze a little bit more, productivity more than 200 seedlings per hour. Locking residues harvested and only a little of rocks on these planting sites. And our lowest productivity, no less harvesting. I guess that Timo and Timo's colleagues, they have effect of less harvesting around 20% roughly. Not stump harvesting and quite much rocks on the side. And done. My last slide. If I summarize our results, actually Resultec Asta product gives huge potential to analyze work of planting. We use Asta data to analyze productivity, but we can analyze working methods and improving of working methods of excavator operators. And yeah, here we have data. Each plot is one seedling in our planting site. And yeah, finally, I like to underline that we have to put more effort to develop and improving mechanized forest-free planting concepts. I guess that we are agreed with that issue, all of us. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Kalle.